traveling to Korea 5-minute tip. Please press like and subscribe. 5 minutes. Tips to know about Korean restaurants when traveling to Korea. Korea's traditional food culture has a variety of ingredients, recipes, and unique taste and aroma. Representative Korean foods include kimchi, bulgogi, soybean paste stew, bibimbap, etc. And these foods have a familiar taste and emotional meaning to Koreans. Korean traditional restaurants not only serve food, but also serve unique atmosphere and service to increase customer satisfaction. Most Korean restaurants do not offer separate menus, but the owner cooks and recommends them to customers. In addition, the restaurant offers unlimited side dishes such as rice and soup. So customers can receive as much additional side dishes as they want at any time. Korean restaurants mainly serve Korean food, with side dishes, rice, and soup at the same time. While some foreign restaurants also serve foreign dishes such as Western food, Chinese food, and Japanese food. Korean restaurants usually offer free water and tea before meals, and some restaurants also offer traditional Korean tea. Most Korean restaurants value service to increase customer satisfaction. In some restaurants, gifts and events can make customers feel even more excited. In other words, Korean restaurants offer a holistic experience that includes not only food but also atmosphere, service, and culture. Most Korean restaurants accept credit card payments. So, you don't have to carry cash. Most restaurants generally accept a variety of payment methods, including credit cards. In some small stores, cash payments are only available. In general, most restaurants accept credit card payments. In addition, restaurants usually offer prices that include VAT and service charges. This is one of the great advantages of reducing the cost burden when foreigners enjoy meals in Korea. Korean restaurants traditionally don't have a tip culture. This is because, in most cases, the cost of food includes a service charge. So you don't have to tip. A call bell is provided in Korean restaurants. This is often used to call waiters or waitresses. Press the bell to order food or drinks or to order additional orders. Calls are often placed in place or installed in a table. Also, if you are running out of food or drinks, you can ring the bell to call a waiter or waitress. These ring systems are very convenient, and you don't have to go looking for a waiter to get the service. There are many people who come to Korea to eat delicious food because there are various unique foods in each region. Each region has delicious food, but the representative foods are especially as follows. Seoul is the capital of Korea, and it is an area where you can enjoy various foods. Famous foods include bulgogi, cold noodles, pork belly, braised short ribs, soybean paste stew, kimchi stew, spicy chicken stir-fried noodles, hamburgers, and pat bingsu. Busan is rich in seafood because the sea is close, and you can taste seafood dishes. Famous foods include steamed seafood, eel, pork soup, budae jjigae, gamjatang, grilled mackerel, seaweed soup, and grilled deoduk. Jeju Island is Korea's Jeju special self-governing province and has many unique foods. Famous foods include stone pot rice, hawachai, stir-fried spicy pork, braised mackerel, sea raw fish, black pork, kimchi pancake, and tangerines. Jeonju is famous for its traditional food area. Famous foods include bibimbap, Jeonju bibimbap, bean sprout soup, tteok galbi, rice soup, Jeonju banjam, ss ambap, and Jeonju rice sushi. Jeongju is an area with many historical sites, where you can taste traditional food. Famous foods include samgitang, gukbap, gat kimchi, red pepper paste bulgogi, seaweed soup, dak galbi, sayuk, and potato pancake. Daegu is famous for makchang, gamjatang, tteokbokki, steamed pork ribs, raw fish rice, wheat noodles, and samgitang. Gangneung is a region with many distinctive foods in harmony with the sea and mountains. Famous foods include fish-based foods such as gangwon du mulho, gangneung chodongsun, squid raw fish, braised cuttlefish, Sachin seafood. Pajeon, dried pollock soup, tricolored citron noodles, and fish cutlet. Gyeonggi-do refers to the surrounding areas surrounding Seoul, and it is good to enjoy the food of each region comprehensively. Famous foods include dakgalbi, cold noodles, baeksuk, bossam, sundae gukbap, jukumi, seasoned chicken, and oven pizza. Korea has a variety of unique foods by region, and each region has its own unique taste and characteristics. One of the great attractions is that you can taste various foods by region while traveling to Korea. Also, Korea's food culture is very rich, and foods made with fresh ingredients and traditional recipes can be recommended as healthy and delicious options. If you visit Korea, I recommend you to find and taste famous food by region. Please press like and subscribe.